This is the shortcut when squaring a number which last digit is 5. Get the first number, then get the number after that. So 2 and 3, and then we're gonna multiply 2 and 3 together. You can see it here, 2 multiplied by 3, and our last numbers would automatically be 25 always. You can see here. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 25. The answer would be 625. Here 4, so the next number would be 5. We need to multiply those two. So 4 times 5, and then our last number would be 25. So it would become 25. Again with this one, and the next one, 95 squared. You get the next number from 9, it is 10. So it would become 9 multiplied by 10. And our last number would become 25. Okay, 9 times 10 is 90. And our last numbers would be 25 again. So 10, we're gonna get the next number which is 11. We're gonna multiply that. So 10 times 11. And then our last numbers would be 25. So 10 times 11 would become 110. And our last digits would become 25. Here on the last number, you can comment your answer and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much.